The world's top microwave brands are Panasonic, LG, Samsung, Midea, Sharp, Whirlpool, Electrolux, Bosch, Breville, and Toshiba.
Panasonic defines the new generation. With continuous cyclonic power, experience absolute precision.
Microwaves mark a massive technological leap, highlighted by the rollout.
LG NeoChef lineup is here. Built-in culinary AI cameras and automated air fry bread functions. Experience ultimate ability and premium design. Experience the new generation of LG NeoChef, now powered by built-in culinary AI. For perfectly crisped, juicy results. Upgrade to the future of cooking.
Welcome to the next generation of kitchen intelligence. Samsung Bespoke AI transforms your microwave into a culinary focal point with 5-in-1 Combi Tech and smart energy saving. Welcome to the new generation of Samsung smart microwaves. Powered by AI, these bespoke models ensure perfectly even heating. Samsung.
Introducing the new generation of Midea microwaves, featuring inverter quattro and smart IoT. With smooth shield coating for an easy clean. Midea, the global value leader. Introducing the new generation of Midea microwaves, featuring inverter quattro for precise, continuous cooking. Midea, make yourself at home.
Sharp introduces the next generation of kitchen luxury, featuring the innovative wave-to-open microwave drawer. Experience seamless integration and superheated steam. Welcome to the next generation of kitchen luxury. Featuring flawless integration and superheated steam, Sharp defines the modern kitchen.
Welcome to the next generation of Whirlpool, featuring a completely flush built-in design and 6-sense smart tracking for perfect results. Experience true kitchen innovation.
Welcome to the 2026 Whirlpool Smart Ecosystem, powered by 6sense AI for family-sized cooking made completely effortless. This is Whirlpool.
Experience the next generation of kitchen innovation. Electrolux introduces the Ultimate Taste Series with SenseCook AI and Steam Hybrid technology.
Welcome to the 2026 Electrolux generation. Experience advanced AI taste assist tracking, delivering true convection and air fry performance. Welcome to the next generation. The Bosch Series oiL control ring and intelligent inverter boost technology. Upgrade your kitchen today.
Welcome to the future of cooking. The new Bosch Series 8 with Cook AI. Continuous inverter power for perfect results. Seamless design, quiet and energy efficient. Welcome to the future of cooking. The Breville Combi Wave with Element IQ. Microwave, convection, and air fry combined. Versatile, quiet, with a soft closed door. Welcome to the next generation of multi-oven cooking. Breville's Combi Wave uniquely combines 3 technologies in one. Experience intelligent cooking that is 80%. Toshiba balances performance with budget-friendly pricing. Experience the new generation of smart sensor cooking. Which smart model best suits your daily kitchen routine? Experience the new generation. Toshiba's Origin Invert delivers continuous heat. Upgraded AI sensors track rising steam. Master air frying. Which smart model fits your routine? LG NeoChef leads in premium design and durability. The new generation experience precise cooking in every detail. Upgrade to the new LG NeoChef series.